Hey y'all, it's Natalie, and I am just unboxing the May 2023 Not Just for Boys Kit Club that I received. One exciting thing that is coming up is they're going to start producing stamps again. During COVID, they had to take a break, but they're back and better than ever, and we're super pumped. So in my box, I have this one, which is called Just for Boys, and this is an old set that was already in the store, but it was sold out. But it's back and it's fun words, and you can use the S's to kind of create phrases and things for your dudes. So that's super fun. And this is the new one, and I'm so excited about it. It's super fun. It is the hexagon stamp set. So it has a big and a small hexagon, and it's got the outline, and then it's got the different patterns on the insides. So you can stamp them and then outline them or not, and you can cut around them. It's going to be so much fun to play with. I cannot wait. And they also come with new packaging because, you know, we always like to reuse our packaging. So you can cut these out and use them in the different patterns. Super pumped about that. So I only got the Limitless kit this month. The page kit was super cute. It was like bee themed, which I love bees. But I was just a little overwhelmed. We got like National Scrapbook Day coming up, and I've got a lot going on right now, and I'm trying to get my craft room semi-clean before National Scrapbook Day. So I was like, okay, we're just gonna, Natalie, just one kit this time, one kit. So I got the Travelogue kit. It's the Limitless Travelogue kit, and it's gorgeous as per usual. So we're gonna go through it. I will say there is one paper that they had some issues this month with just shipping, and it wasn't their fault at all. So there's one paper that I'm missing, but it will be in your kit if you ordered this Travelogue kit. So never fear. So take what you see here and then add one more piece of paper. So let's see. I only got one cardstock cut this month, but it's a good one. That's pretty stinking cute, right? It's like a little clothesline with your Polaroids on it. I'm super excited to use that. That'll be really fun. They're pretty small, but you could do a lot of cute things with it. Man, Meredith and Paula are so amazing at putting together kits, y'all. So I'm pumped to go through this. It's so good. Like, I love mixing and matching, and I love to do that on my own, but like they do it for us, and it makes it so much easier because they're so good at it. So let's look at the papers first, and then we'll go back through all the other goodies. So this is Simple Stories Here and There, and I love it. It is like a orange map. Ooh, this is basic gray vibes that coming at you. I'm glad everything's coming back around again. I love that like grungy 2008 vibe is that we got going on again. This is fabulous. It's lime green, and it's from Simple Stories. It's called Summer Lovin', and I love to scrapbook with lime green. Fun fact. Oh, it's the same on both sides. Oh, one is bigger, I think. Oh, cute. I love that. So I love lime green and orange together. Super fun. Ooh, this is cool. Let's see. This is from 49th and Market. I should have known because it's like super thick. This is gorgeous. A really lovely map, topographical, and then more of a abstract on the back with blue. Ooh, I love this. So this is from the 49th and Market Everywhere collection. It's Vintage Artistry Everywhere is the whole collection. So this paper is Airmail Artistry, and this paper is Wonder. On the back, it's like a newsprint and cars. That's fun. And blue again. Ooh, we got a cut apart from Heidi Swap, and this is from her new collection, Set Sail. Ooh, I love this a lot. I love everything Heidi makes. And so it's real grungy too. It's got like a filter on it. What do you call those? It's not called a filter in Photoshop. It's called something. And that's like a really nice solid for a background there. It looks like linen. Ooh, this is lovely. This is 49th and Market, and it is another burnt orange piece, like a watercolor. Oh, and then the full burnt orange in the back. Super love that. And this is fabulous. Another from Set Sail, Heidi Swap. It's a really great stripe. I'm loving these colors. And then almost a gingham or a plaid on the back. Ooh, so many good things. I don't know. I should have got double papers. They're all so good, right? That's okay. We can order more. So now to the embellishments. So this is super fun. So this is like exclusive. You know, you can't just buy these kind of things anywhere packaged like this. So this is for the Travelogue Limitless kit, and it's little bags. So we have blue and orange and polka dot, and then smaller ones too, like craft. I don't know the type of paper, but super cute. Love these. Super fun. We can do something really fun with those, or you can do like an like I love to do interactive elements, especially in my smaller albums, so that's fun. So these are, I think they're from Heidi, the new Heidi Swap collection. It doesn't say that, but I think that these come from her new collection because that stripe looks really similar to her colors. But they're like ombre, navy blue to white, or light blue maybe. Fabulous, perfect size, not too big. I love that. And then, oh, these are cute. So these are from Not Just for Boys, like an exclusive, I guess you could call them. And they're little clouds, and they're puffy. They're fabric, and they're puffy. They're filled with filling. They're so cute. So that looks like they come with 6 of those. Those are fun. I can't wait to use those. Those would be great outside the page protector in a smaller album, so you could touch them. And then you get the Simple Stories foam thickers from the Here and There collection. So it says here and there, a bunch of words. Really muted colors. I love that. Cute, cute. Almost all words. So I'm liking that. So, and then over here, last but not least, we have the 49th and Market Vintage Artistry Everywhere ephemera bits. And we all know that 49th and Market ephemera bits are chock full of things. So I can't wait to show you everything that's in here. We'll go through them just real quick because I know that some people really like it when I open the packages and show you what's inside. So let's, this might be silly, but I'm going to pull out like that orange sheet of paper to look at. So I feel like they'll pop off better. You'll be able to see better what we got going on here. So we have phrases, we have labels, we have stamps. We have butterflies, of course. I love the blue and orange together. Best time ever. Stay here. There's an airplane. Oh, the places we'll go. Here we are. We have bicycles. Super cute. I love to use them. Not going to ride them on vacation. That's not my idea of a vacation. Maybe if they're electric. More airplanes. Geotags. We have layering pieces or journaling pieces that look like little notebooks. I love that. Tags here. See, lots of tags, lots of map elements, ledger elements, newspaper, tickets. All so fun. Remember this moment. Little file tabs. I love those, especially when I do outside the page protector. I like to give the reader some way to turn the page or without touching the photo maybe. Those are fun. I love that watercolor on those. Explore and discover on an adventure. Keep exploring your world. All good things, all good things. All the bits and pieces that we normally see and love from 49th and Market in the color palette of this, which is mostly blue and orange with a little bit of a lighter lime green. Not like a harsh lime green though. It's a very pretty lime green, which I don't have a problem with lime green at all, but I know some people maybe don't love it, but this is a pretty one. Oh, and there's a little bit of pink in there too. And a lot of photo corners. That could be fun. I like to use photo corners a lot of times as carrots or like chevrons. That's the word I'm looking for, as chevrons. Bigger labels. I like to do these and stamp things on them for my smaller albums especially. So I love these little tickets too. Ooh, these are fun. And so these are usually always included in the 49th and Market, but I love the colors that they come in this collection. And then a few larger layering bits that are map related. The nice same color palette. And I think that's it. So that's it. That's the Travelogue Limitless kit. Plus there's one other paper that did not come in time for the design team, but it will be there for you guys because I think it came in like the next day. So yeah, it's always an amazing kit. It's always a good value, and they usually sell out because they're so awesome. So let me know if you have any questions. I will link down below to the link that you can go pick up your Travelogue Limitless kit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, y'all.